Hello guys, we are Sergio and Daria, welcome to our Bachata channel.
This lesson is for people who never danced bachata before but in love with it and wants to try their first steps. In this video, we will learn simple bachata movements for beginners, first single and later in couples.
Bachata is dancing on 8 counts. Every count we change our weight from one leg to another leg. But on count 4 and on count 8 we make a tap on toes.
Now let's learn bachata basic on one place.
Let's go. Guys, we start from left leg.
And girls start with right leg.
We make a 3-step on the place. Here we go, and 1, 2, 3 and tap, 5, 6, 7 and tap. 4 guys, left, right, left, right and right, left, right, left.
Girls, right leg, left, right, tap, left, right, left, tap.
And with a count more faster, and 1, 2 and 3, tap, and 5, 6, 7, tap, and 1, 2 and 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And right now we dance basic step on the place with music. Here we go.
Ando manejando por las calles que me besaste, oyendo las canciones que un día me dedicaste. Te diría que volvieras, pero eso no se pide. Mejor le pido a Dios que me cuide, porque ando manejando por...
Hope that first steps are very easy for you, and now let's move to another steps. It's basic step forward and back. Let's start.
Guys, we always start from left leg on 1 and start on 5 from right leg. Always.
And girls, our first step on 1 is always with right leg.
Let's go. Let's make 3 steps forward. And 1 and 2 and 3 and tap. And 3 step backward and 5 and 6 and 7, tap. 4 guys, and left leg, right leg, left leg and right leg, make a tap, and go backward from right leg, left leg, right leg, and make a tap from left leg.
And now for girls, we start with right leg and right, left, right, and tap with left leg and back. Left, right, left, tap with right leg.
And this basic step with a count. Let's go. And 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, 5 and 6 and 7, 8. And more faster with a count. And 1 and 2 and 3, 4 and 5, 6, 7, 8. And 1, 2 and 3, 4 and 5, 6, 7, 8. And right now we dance basic step forward and backward with music.
Let's go.
Ando manejando por las calles que me besaste, oyendo las canciones que un día me dedicaste. Te diría que volvieras, pero eso no se pide. Mejor le pido a Dios que me cuide, porque ando manejando por las calles.
Our third bachata movement for today is basic step to the side.
Here we go. Guys, we start from left leg and go to the left, 3 steps and tap. Let's go. And 1 and 2 and 3 and make a tap from right leg. And go to the right, 3 steps from right leg. And 5 and 6 and 7 and tap 8. One more time. And left and right. Leg left and right leg left, right and left. And with a count, and 1 and 2 and 3 and tap and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8.
And now for girls, we begin with our right leg and go 3 steps to the right. And 1, 2, 3 and make tap with left leg. And then we go to the left 3 steps. And 5, 6, 7, 8. One more time. Right leg, right leg. Tap. Left leg, right leg, left leg, tap. And more faster. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And now let's dance basic step to the side with music.
Here we go.
Recordar, ando manejando por las calles que me besaste, oyendo las canciones que un día me dedicaste. Te diría que volvieras, pero eso no se pide. Mejor le pido a Dios que me cuide, porque ando manejando. Todo lo que hicimos me gusta recordar. Ando manejando por las calles que me besaste, oyendo las canciones que un día me dedicaste. Te diría que volvieras, pero eso no se pide. Mejor le pido a Dios que me cuide, porque ando manejando.
And our last movement for today is
Turn to the side. Let's go.
we will done with one leg now.
Yeah, and the first turn we make to the left. Very important, guys. First we twist our upper body and then we make a step. Okay? We make a 3-step, like a basic step to the side. Twist your upper body to the left and make a step to the left and forward 1. Twist your body to the left and make a step to the right. Twist your body to the left and make a step to the left with turn and make a tap. One more time. Here we go. From left leg, turn your upper body to the left and move on left leg. Turn your upper body to the left and move on right leg. Turn your body to the left and make a step to the left and tap 4. One more time with a count and turn to the left. 1 and 2 and 3 and tap basic step 5 and 6 and 7 and 8 and turn to the left 2 and 3 and tap and 5 and 6 and 7, 8.
Pay attention to your third step when you make a turn, because it's one of the most common mistakes. Sergio will show 1, 2, and the third step he makes like this. It's not correct. You have to move 3 steps in one line, especially the third step. Show how you have to do. 1, 2, and third step 3, tap. It's correct variant. And now turn to the right side. It's the same, but we start with our right leg. Let's go. We twist our body to the right, make a step. Pay attention that first step we put in this way, not like this, but we turn our foot to the right. It's first step, then second step, twist our body, and third step and tap. Basic 5, 6, 7, 8. One more time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
And right now we dance turn to the side with music.
Let's go.
Turn to the left.
Teniendo la certeza de que nunca volveremos atrás. Consciente que en tus brazos hay otro hombre que te quiere más. Y ahora
Basic step.
siento la fuerza
Turn
que
to the right.
teníamos los dos. Y aun sabiendo que vuelas entre sus brazos, hoy sé por fin que mi alma gemela eres tú, aunque no estés
Basic
conmigo,
step.
amor.
Basic
Vete,
step. Turn to the
pero
left.
no olvides mi nombre.
Turn to the right.
Porque yo te hice sentir mujer, por primera vez, por primera vez.
And now we show you how to dance in couple. Guys, we hold our arms in front of your stomach.
Girls, put their hands in hands of your partner.
We push little to each other.
And we have the same energy between our hands.
And don't move your elbow back. Your elbow only
In front of you.
yeah. Let's start. Guys, we start from left leg. Girls start from right leg, like a mirror.
First, we will do basic step on the place. Let's go.
And 1 and 2 and 3 and tap and 5 and 6 and 7 tap and 1 2 3 tap and 5 6 7 8.
Next, we will go forward and back.
Let's go. And 1 and 2 and 3 and tap and 5 and 6 and 7. Don't move your elbow back. 1 and 2 and 3 and tap and 5 and 6 and 7 8. And now we dance basic step to the side. Guys, we start from left leg to the left. Girls start from right leg to the right. Here we go. And 1 2 and 3 and tap and 5 6 7 8 and 1 2 and 3 4 and 5 6 7 8.
And the last movement for today is turn to the side. Let's start.
1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 8. Guys, and very important, before turn we put our arms up on 3. Let's try. And 1 2 and 3 4 and turn 5 and 6 and 7 8. One more time with the count. 1 and 2 and 3 4 and 5 6 7 8. Yeah.
Now let's go basic step and then turn to another side.
And 1 and 2 and 3 4 and 5 6 and 7 8. And turn 1 2 and 3 4 and 5 6 7. One more time. 1 2 3 4 and 5 6. Stop. And this we put our arm up on 7 and tap 8 and turn 1 and 2 and 3 4 and 5 6 7 8. And one more time with a count. Let's go. And 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8.
And now let's dance turns to one side and to another side after basic step. Let's go.
1 and 2 and 3 4 and 5 6 and 7 8. 1 2 and 3 4 and 5 6 and 7 8. 1 2 3 4 and 5 6 7 8. And now we dance all this movement with music. Here we go.
Sintiendo en el orgullo que me muero. Cada
Basic
día un
step on
poco
the place.
más, teniendo la certeza de que nunca volveremos atrás.
Basic step forward and back.
Consciente que en tus brazos hay otro hombre que te quiere más.
Basic step to the
Y
side.
ahora siento la fuerza que teníamos los dos. Y aun sabiendo que vuelas entre sus brazos.
Basic step
Hoy
with
sé
turn
por
to the left.
fin que mi alma gemela eres tú, aunque no estés conmigo, amor. Vete.
Basic step with turn to the
Pero no
right.
olvides mi nombre, porque yo te hice sentir mujer por
On the
primera
turn.
vez, por primera vez. yo, Mario Baro.
And now, after this lesson, you know simple bachata movements. You can dance them single or with couple. More practice and enjoy bachata dance.
Thank you guys for watching this video. Please leave your comments, subscribe and share with your friends. See you next time. Bye bye.